how to see your Facebook password if you forget it. So if you want to see your Facebook password, then there are two ways. First is you need to open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to go for the search, which will be on the upper side of your screen. Tap on the search icon and search for autofill. Once you've searched here, you will have autofill service from Google. Tap on it and it will take you to this kind of interface where on the bottom of your screen you will have autofill service from Google. Tap on that again and here you will have Google Password Manager. Tap on that option and it will take you to the password manager, and here you need to go for facebook.com and you need to enter your password of your mobile device, or you can enter the fingerprint. And once you've done that, here you will have the password. So you can see your Facebook password if you forgot it from here. And the second way is also same kind of interface. You just need to open up your Google account, or you just need to open up your Google and go for the upper right, which has that profile. Tap on manage your Google account and here you need to go for data and privacy and then scroll down and here you need to go for security option. Once you tap on security, you just need to go for the bottom all the way to the down and tap on password manager and go for manage password. Once you tap on manage password, it will take you to the same kind of interface where you can go and search for your Facebook and you will have your password. So that's how you can see your Facebook password if you forget it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.